in the old days, lighthouses used oil lamps to generate light. The problem was they just weren't bright enough. Sailors out at sea couldn't see the lighthouse. Most of the light was just escaping off into the sky and off in various directions. So they needed a way to collimate that light in order to generate a spotlight effect so that it would concentrate most of the light out to sea where the sailors could see. So the effect works a little bit like this. Here I've got a lighthouse lamp, and here I've got a simple Plano convex lens, and if I place this lens in front of the lamp, you see that you can focus that light into a spotlight. And this spotlight would pass over a ship, and the sailors on that ship would see a bright flash. In fact, I can do that here by placing the lens in front of the camera here. Now, the problem is that the lighthouse lamps were rather large, and this is a pretty small lens, and you needed to make a big lens that required a lot of glass, and that was heavy. And so in 1811, Napoleon started a commission to solve this problem, and he put on that commission a man named Augustin Jean Fresnel. And Fresnel fixed this problem in a very clever way. He realized that you didn't need most of the glass that was in a large, thick lens. You could, in fact, cut most of it away. The result is a much thinner lens. You cut away all the glass you don't need, keeping the curved surface that does all of the refracting. Again, what Fresnel did was just cut away all of that extra glass. So it turns out if you zoom in close, you can see the little ridges that are there. And we can really demonstrate how effective the Fresnel lens is at collecting a lot of light if we take our Fresnel lens outside and use it to collect solar energy.
Record.
All right, it's a glorious day for science. Today we're going to try to pop some popcorn with the power of the sun. The sun puts out an enormous amount of energy. By the time it gets here, it's about 1,000 watts per square meter. 1,000 watts per square meter. We're gonna try to focus that down using this Fresnel lens. Focus that on this little pot of popcorn and pop it. Let's see if it works. I think we're getting a lot of burning, not a lot of popping. Hey, we got one! All right. Wow. I'll call that somewhat of a success. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.